Hello everyone. Today I am Rishabh Bhardwaj, Assistant Professor from the Mechanical Department, taking the lecture of heat transfer. Today in this lecture, we will learn about empirical relations for the free convection. Let's start with the vertical plane. That for the empirical relations, we have two type of relationships for vertical as well as the horizontal plane. If we're talking about the vertical plane, the first we have the vertical plate. If we taking the vertical plate and with the thickness T and having the length L, the characteristic length, total length will be the L, and the range of remain the range will be the 10 to the power 4 to 10 to the power 9, and simultaneously it will goes up to the 10 to the power 9 to 10 to the power 13, and it will take an entire range, and the Nusselt number will be 0.59 into the Rayleigh raised power 1 by 4, and for the range 10 raised power 9 to 10 raised power 13, the Nusselt number will be the 0.12 Rayleigh number 1 by 3. And for the entire range, we can take the values that with 0.825 plus 0.387 Rayleigh 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 4, 1 plus 0.492 per parallel number 9 by 16, the whole to power 3 by 27, and whole raised to power 2. It is more complex, but gives the accurate value. And for next we have the vertical cylinder. Then the temperature of the body, well, this is Ts, and the total length of the cylinder is L. Then the characteristic length of the object will be L, and a vertical cylinder can be treated as a vertical plate when its diameter is less than 35 L by gr raised to power 1 by 4. Empirical formula for the vertical plate is also called as the constant surface heat flux, that is the Qs, and that will be the constant. The Churchill and Chu's equation can be used to provide the plate midpoint temperature TL by 2, and it is used instead of Ts in surface film temperature. The Nusselt number is Nu is equal to HL by K, that is equal to QSL by K, change of temperature of TL by 2 minus T infinity. The Churchill and the Joule equation is as given below, that Nu is equal to 0.825 plus 0.387 Rayleigh number 1 by raised to power 1 by 6 upon 1 plus 0.9492 by Prandtl number raised to power 9 by 16, and whole raised to power 8 by 26, and complete raised to the power 2. Next in this category, we have the empirical relations for the free convection. The rate of heat transfer to or from a horizontal surface depend on whether the surface is facing upward or the downward. For a hot surface, the facing upward in a cooler environment, the heated fluid rises freely, induce natural convection current, thus effective heat. A body without any external forces and devices comes under the natural convection, by which the air is blown up and heat will get transferred to the environment of the air by itself, and the free expansion taken place over there, by which the natural convection current also induced in it, and the heat will get transferred to the environment. Next we have the empirical relations for the free convection in horizontal plate. If the hot surface is facing downward, it means the hot face of the plate acting downward and the upper face is at constant temperature or colder than the lower face. The heating fluid that tends to rise accepted, we have taken some condition that is accepted from the edges, impeded the heat transfer, will cause the heat transfer for the same. The Nusselt number is calculated as first we have taken the horizontal plate where the surface area A and which having the perimeter B. For position A, that upper face of a hot plate. In the first case we have taken that upper face is the hot plate. Then the range will come to 10 raised to power 4 to 10 raised to power 7, and the Nusselt number will comes up to 0.54 into the Resident number 1 by 4. Or the lower face or a colder face, the another we have the range that is 10 raised to power 7 to 10 raised to power 11. For that the Nusselt number will be the 0.15 Rayleigh into raised to power 1 by 3. Now we have the second case. Lower face of a hot plate, that face of the bottom is hotter and the upper face is colder, and the characteristic length of that will be the A by P, and it ranges to the 10 raised to power 5 to 10 raised to power 11, where the Nusselt number will calculated by the term or by the equation and give the value of 0.27 Rayleigh number in raised to power 1 by 4. Where here you can see that characteristic length is AS by P, where AS is the surface area and the P is the perimeter of the hot plate. The empirical relation for horizontal cylinder and a sphere. If we are talking about the cylinders and the spheres, the boundary layer over a hot horizontal cylinder starts to develop at the bottom and increases in thickness along the circumference and rises to form a rising flume at the top, and so that's shown in the figure. As you can see in this figure, the hot cylinder is transferring its heat to the through the process of convection, by which we are able to see that the heat is getting transferred from bottom surface towards upward, by which the initially lower values or low heat transfer from the and making a low thickness from the bottom, and it rises up to the top, and the thickness or the heat level has increased over the top of the hot cylinder. That forms a boundary layer flow, where the boundary is very thinner at the bottom and thicker at the top of the cylinder. The local Nusselt number is highest at the bottom and the lowest at the top of the cylinder when the boundary layer remains laminar. At the laminar state, the Nusselt number is higher as we have the thin layer at the bottom, and the lowest value or the low value at the top of the cylinder, as it had become a thick boundary layer over it and able to transfer the heat from that position. Next we have horizontal cylinder and a sphere. For this, the average Nusselt number of the total surface is hot cylinder. In the case of hot cylinder, the diameter of the cylinder is taken as d and the temperature of the surface has been taken as a Ts. Then the characteristic length of the body is taken as d. Next, the range has been taken to the Rayleigh's number should be less than 10 raised to power 12. For that, the Nusselt number or the value that evaluated and comes over, that will be 0.6 plus 0.387 Rayleigh's number raised to power 1 by 6 by 1 plus 0.559 by Prandtl number raised to power 9 by 16 whole raised to power 8 by 27 with the complete square. These values are quite similar to the vertical cylinder but having some changes of their values. Then we have a sphere, horizontal sphere. In the horizontal sphere, we have taken a sphere which having the diameter d. Then the Rayleigh's number is less than 10 raised to power 11 and the Prandtl number is higher than the 0.7. From that condition that we have calculated the Nusselt number, that will be the 2 plus 0.589 Rayleigh's raised to power 1 by 4 by 1 plus 0.462 by Prandtl number 9 raised to power 9 by 16 whole raised to power 4 by 9. This will become the values for the horizontal sphere. Or sphere can be taken as a vertical or the horizontal, from the both sides the sphere remains the same. The horizontal cylinder and the sphere, the simple empirical correlations for the average Nusselt number will be the Nusselt number is equal to C GR PR raised to power m. That will GR and PR becomes the Rayleigh's number. GR stands for the Graphel number. F indicates that all the properties are evaluated at film temperature, at which the film temperature is equal to the outer body temperature plus working body of the temperature by 2. Here we have some values for the content by which we are able to calculate the Graph's number, Prandtl number and other components. That is for the horizontal cylinder, it will be ranges up to 10 raised to power 4 to 9. That is a Graphel and Prandtl's number, and where the C specific heat value will be 0.53 and m will become at 1 by 4. And for the second, the 10 raised to power minus 10 to 10 raised to power 2, then the value will become, the C value will become 0.675 and m's power will be, or value will be 0.058. At the condition of the range is 10 raised to power 2 to 10 raised to power minus 2, then value of C will become 1.02 and the value of m will be 0.148. Then the ranges increases 10 raised to power 2 to 10 raised to power 4, the value of C will become 0.850 and m value will be 0.188. then the value will increase to 10 raised power 7 to 10 raised power 12. The C value will be 0.125 and the M value will be 1 by 3. The total geometry of this, and with the help of these parameters, we are able to understand that the range, as the range increases, the value of specific heat increase and then decreases gradually, and the value of M will become higher as compared to the others. It will give the value increasing in the increasing order. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for the next. Thank you.